Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card, and today, yes, we are going to be opening another box of Magic the Gathering Aetherdrift. Just kidding, it's Aetherdrift, of course. Why? Because the set is very cheap, comparably, at the moment. Seems it's not selling that well, presumably. I wonder why. But I don't care. I'm just interested how the value held up. And there's still a few cards I would like to have. So, without further ado, let's open the box topper with the Pokemon style treatment. Let's call it like that. I hear a certain other name for it, and I'm not gonna comment on that. We have a Voyager Glide car. Woohoo! Yes, I will embrace my negativity, and I will live with it, or watch someone else who's happy about the set. Yeah, I'll try to tone it down, especially since we get a Mendicant Core Guidelight. That's not really a reason. But surely the box will give us a reason to tone the negativity down, like a spectacular pileup. Also still not a fan of the POV lens. But that's personal preference. We have a Boom Mobile and a colored in Triumph Caster and a full starting column. It's also once again a bit sad that the new mechanic will probably only be used in the set with Start Your Engines. We have a Howl Squad Heavy. That's one of the cards I was looking for. Hooray! See, no negativity. I hope at least we see exhaust more often. Like, I think mechanically it's a very neat mechanic of a one-time activatable things. But yeah, not sure what the plans with that are. We have a Moraganda Raceway, a Mimoplasm Revered one, and that's it here. I mean, in the end, exhaust is kinda like Monstrous was, where you can pay additional mana to grow your creature afterwards, which most of the exhaust abilities also do. We have a Waxen Shape Thief, don't know where the S came there. We have a Mu Yanling Windrider and a Foil Rocketeer Boost Buggy. And that's it here. On to the next one, where we have a Webstrike Elite. Yeah, not gonna comment. No. We also have a Lumbering Voltwagen. On to the next one we go. Where we have Curse Cloth Wrappings, which is a wonderfully designed card, in my opinion. The only annoying thing is the set symbol, because it's a flag. We also have the Speed Demon, which here is a very great card. But in the weird style. And in foil as well. On to the next one. where we have a district mascot. And that's it here. I think my problem with the set is less. Oh, a Willow Rush Verge and loot the Pathfinder. Yeah, wonderful. I think my problem with the set is less the general idea of it, but more the aesthetics. Because like story-wise, it's in theory a great set, and I don't disagree with what they did. An Oil Deep Gearhulk, lovely. And a Colored-in Triumph Caster in extended art, also lovely. But I think the silliness of the art is a bit too silly sometimes. Also, very sad that the Grim Bauble is not a bobble heads up type. We have an Ovia Automech Artisan. And I think that's also my gripe with Duskmoon. Like in Fury, the story and everything is great, but the representation of it on the card is very bad. That's also something I was looking for. Box already paid off. I don't care what value we get. A Mindspring Merfolk. On to the next one. Where we have a Repurposing Bay. And that's it. On to the next one. Less complaining, more looking at cards. Like Full Throttle. And that's it here. The only thing I would like to have still is the Black-White God. And then that's everything I want. It's a Perilous Snare that we get, and a Debris Beetle. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we get a Count on Luck. And that's it. And on to the next one we go. Where we have a Demonic Chunker, a Redshift Rocketeer Chief, and a foil Kaelona Coil Tyrant. Still think the cycle is very silly, the Muraganda cycle, but it's also very cool. Creatures without text. And we have a Sunbelow Verge. Very cool. And that's it here. On to the next one we go. Where we have a Caradora, Heart of Alakria. And that's it here. On to the next one. With excitement. And a Gonti Night Minister in extended art, I think is what you call it. Magic doesn't do full art most of the time. And we get a Daretti Rocketeer Engineer. And that's it here. Moving on. And a Monument to Endurance. Very nice. Always good to have more of those. And on to the next one. I guess I'll take the Chandra as well, if we should get her. Instead we have a Cold Stoke Gearhulk, which is always nice. Gearhulks, very cool. On to the next one. Where we have a Bulwark, Ox, and that's it. And in the next one we have an Explosive Getaway. And that's it. 4 packs left to go. Already nearing the end of the box. But we get a Captain Howler, Sea Scourge. Yes, there it is. Catramose, the New Dawn. Lovely. Good that I got that box. Well, technically I could have also gotten the singles and still would be cheaper. But I'm still glad. We have a Bleach Bone Birch. I think I was still missing that one. Very nice as well. Second to last pack. Almost forgot to count us in. Only almost. Let's see what we get. And we get a Lord of the Undead. On the one hand, always good to have. On the other hand, the art. And a Gas Guzzler. But I'll take it nonetheless. Especially since I traded all of the Lord of Undead that I had away. So now I have one again. Very good. And in the last pack we have a Guardian Sunmare, Foil Bounce Off, and a Full Art Plains, and an Insect token, which also has an elephant on the other side. And by the way, I think it's a good decision to have double-sided tokens. Very nice. Keep this up. Anyway, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.